Here I have MEIZU Pro 7 and let me show you how to add the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings. Then you need to scroll down and find fingerprint and security. Let's choose the fingerprint identification. Before you add the fingerprint, you need to set up some backup method. You can enter the following digit password, or you can use some complex method. For example, you can use the password with letters or the password with the digits. Let me just use the simple one, 1234, tap continue. Let's re-enter the password 1234. So now let's place your finger on the sensor. The sensor is located right here on your home screen, on your home button. Let's just start tapping the home button to save the whole fingerprint. You need to just lift and rest your finger on your button. Let's do it a couple of times just to save the different parts of your finger. And as you can see, you just save your fingerprint, tap OK. So now you can change the fingerprint name, for example, right here, or you can add another fingerprint if you would like to. If you would like to lock your device, just press power key. And now to unlock your phone, you can enter the password, or you can do it the same thing with your fingerprint. Let me show you. And that's it. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.